are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are the way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, this song just says one thing: I love you, and that's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no irony because I see what I'm seeing.
Chuck E. Say, Grandma, who gave you that? Chuck E. Cheese.
You are the apple of my eye, the sweet sunshine in the sky.
Alright, look at that. Oh, he trying to give her kisses. What's that, Miss Owens? She's your sister. Y'all look out for each other.